Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. And in this video, answering a YouTube subscriber, said that he has a court summons and nothing else has been done other than they filed and served notice. Let me tell you, that's a lot. If they've taken the time to get an attorney or a paralegal to fill out a complete court summons and pay the money to the court to have you summons, and they also have to pay to have you served. They've done a lot, so don't think that they haven't done anything. Now it's what are you going to do? Your rights, when you get that court summons, and they have those little numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however many allegations that they're making, is that you have to answer each one of those. And it doesn't matter if they're just asking, is your name this name? If they're saying this is your name and you reside at this address or you reside in this county, it is you have to legally to be in compliance with the court summons, is you have to respond to it by a certain amount of time, and you have to answer every one of those allegations, even if the allegation is true. So it's not a little thing, and you need to take this very serious. I'm not going to go through in this video how to walk you through it. You can look on my other videos on how to answer the court summons. And if you want to be able to answer it 100% right, I have videos that you can watch with the documents so you can get their evidence stricken. You can also challenge point by point. I show you exactly how to do that, at least so you can have a chance of winning. But don't think just because you've been served that this is just a little thing and that's all that they've done. That's all they have to do until that court date if you don't respond. Now, if you don't respond, this is what they're going to be able to do. If you don't show up to court, they're going to get a default judgment against you, and that default judgment is going to last for 20 years. They're going to be able to hound and harass you for that collection account for 20 years. If you do show up to court, they will still be able to present what they have, and you're going to have to respond as a person on your feet right at that time to try to see what you can do to not have that judge put that judgment on top of you. You will have an opportunity if you believe that the debt is yours and you have the resources or you want to cut a deal, you can have the judgment maybe placed on hold, and you can speak with the plaintiff attorney and try to work something out. You can either do that with a lump sum or you can maybe do it on a payment plan. But you're going to have to do that early. What I would do if I were you right now is you need to review those documents, and you need to make a determination on which way you want to move forward. Are you going to fight it, or if you want to try to resolve this before it gets to court? Because unless you are used to negotiating, used to presenting evidence, used to, and if you don't have all of the answers to the allegations that they have on that court summons sheet, you're going to lose. You're gonna lose because you're not challenging anything, and then you're not really challenging it properly. Not to say that you have to do it properly like a lawyer would do it, but you might get in front of a judge that says, hey, you had plenty of time to respond to these, and I'm gonna go off of what they got and off of what you said, and I'm gonna just go ahead and make a judgment against you. So you want to just prepare yourself. So you got the summons, answer it, get it back. You have to file it with the court clerk, and then you also have to get a copy over to the plaintiff attorney. All right, I would like to end the video here. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Links are below this video. I also have a link if you're being sued by a third-party debt collector. Third party means that they've purchased the debt. In the plaintiff section, it has a debt collector's name, not the original creditor. I have videos on what you can do to fight those. It's not a guarantee. No one can guarantee it, but it gives you the best chance of either winning by getting them to dismiss it or to put you in a better situation to do a settlement with them. If you need your credit reports and scores, because you should always know your what's on your credit reports and scores, and also regarding a collection that might have been sold, it could be outside of the statute of limitations. The only way you're going to know that is by looking at your credit reports and looking at the charge-off date from the original creditor. And the statute of limitations is different from for every state. So you can go to my website, thecreditrepairshop.com, go to my blog, it's at the bottom of the website, the link to it. Type in statute of limitations and you can see what the statute of limitations is for your state. If it's a credit card debt, it's going to be in column 4. All other debts are going to be in column 2. And if you find that you have a debt that's past legal statute of limitations, there's a link below this video that you can use a letter for statute of limitations letter to notify them that they're trying to collect on a debt that's past the legal statute of limitations to collect. They will do that because they don't expect people like you to know the rules and the laws. The other one is a debt validation letter and a cease and desist collection activities letter. You can get those letters. Link is below this video. You can use that. Those letters can actually stop debt collectors because they are required to have a lot more information than what they're probably presenting to this individual in court. But if you don't ask for it, don't know what to ask for, don't know how to ask for it, they're not going to tell you. They're not going to tell you. So the links are below this video. All right, thanks for watching this video. And until next time, this is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.